How's it going, YouTube? Matt here. Kind of a different video. I guess I'll call this one Weathershare. And Flying X-Blade, if you're watching this, I got the idea from you. So I'm going to be doing it myself. This is what they call Winter Storm Kayla from what the news has been calling it. And from what I hear, the Dells are supposed to get about 1 foot of snow. Up here in Juneau County, it's about 11 o'clock, February 2nd. And the snow is just dumping up here. Quite a lot of snow. We weren't really supposed to get too much in Juneau County, but apparently we are. Real bad viz if you're driving today. Hope you stay careful. Don't go too fast. I mean, the viz is just, wow. Almost whiteout conditions. Not too cold. Temperature's about 32. I guess when it snows, it tends to be a little warm. So I guess that's that. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to favorite. So, thank you again.